Among all sauces, stir-fry recipes are the cheapest, yet they taste absolutely delicious. And today, we are going to be making one of my best stir-fry recipes, and that is a fish stir-fry recipe. So delicious in just 15 minutes. You are good to be enjoying your stir-fry with some rice, mashed potato, or spaghetti. A very warm welcome to the channel. My name is Yummy Cash. If today is the first time here, then kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to share it out to your friends and your family. With me here, I have my smoked mackerel fishes. I'll take out the bones and everything that is not needed. Then I'll give it a very good wash. If you want a video of how I make my smoked mackerel fishes, then I will leave a link down in the description. Once I'm done with the washing, I'm going to break the fishes into small pieces. As you know, stir-fry recipes are made with tiny slices of either meat or chicken. And talking of meat and chicken stir-fry, I have videos down in the description for you. And in this pot, I will heat some oil. So whilst the oil is heating, in another bowl, I add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You can use potato starch or flour if that is what you have. To it, I will add half tablespoon of fish sauce. So I'm using the fish sauce because it contains some vital nutrients that will improve my nutrition. Now I will come in with 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. So in place of dark soy sauce and light soy sauce, you can only use fish sauce because sometimes certain people are allergic to soy sauce. So you can replace the soy sauce with fish sauce if you face some problem consuming soy sauce. Now I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. The oyster sauce is going to release that savory taste in your dishes. Now I'm adding in about 2 or 3 pinches of Maggi sauce. Now I add in half teaspoon of sugar, then 1 cup of clean water, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, garlic and ginger paste. So adding pepper is totally optional, but fish with pepper, you can replace the fresh pepper with black and white pepper powder. Now give this a very good mix and set it aside. So back to the oil, which is heated now. I add in the smoked mackerel fish. And now I'm going to fry or saute this for about 5 minutes on a high heat. I am not going to be adding in any seasoning or salt to the fishes because the sauce that we made for the stir fry already contains a lot of sodium, which is salt. So adding in salt at this stage is going to ruin the stir fry completely. So after 10 minutes of frying this, I take everything out from the pan and set it aside. Now that I've taken all the fishes out from the pan, I go in with some chopped onions. Then I'm going to be adding in about half tablespoon of ginger paste and give it a very good mix. So I'm going to fry the onions and the ginger paste for about 1 minute before adding in the next ingredients. When you're making stir fry, it is best to prep your vegetables before you begin with everything. So in the pan, I add in some green, red, and yellow bell peppers. These are my favorite vegetables for stir fry. I'm going to saute the vegetables for about 2 minutes. I love stir fry recipes. It is just so quick to make, and trust me, it is really affordable to make this. I call on all Ghanaians, especially to those of us living in Ghana, to be making this stir fry. And of course, in Nigeria too, because this is so simple. It doesn't cost much. After the 2 minutes of sauteing the vegetables, I add back the fishes and then carefully pour the sauce in. Just take a look at that. We are not done, but it is already looking very delicious, right? Give this a very good stir and then leave it on fire for about 1 minute. Now, after adding in the sauce, is going to thicken up after some time. So while stirring the stir fry, let me take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for stopping by, for watching this video, and I hope you are learning one or two things, right? So when your sauce is too thick for your liking, add in a little bit of water, give it a very good stir, and trust me, I'm not going to tell you to taste for salt or seasoning because it is already perfect. The salt level, everything is perfect at this point. But the last thing to add is some garnishing, which is some green spring onions. Off your fire and give this a very good mix. Now you can eat the sauce with literally everything, be it rice, if you're in Ghana, banku, if you're in Nigeria, eba. Trust me, it tastes absolutely good. And within few minutes, you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. So then, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, think yummy cash. Choose.